What's up, fam? Welcome to BBlock. I'm Ben Tuan, and welcome to my block. I talk everything crypto and blockchain, but mostly DeFi. My job is to keep my ears to the ground so you don't have to. I am always bringing to you some of the coolest and game-changing projects in the space. I don't claim to be an expert, nor am I a crypto millionaire. I just absolutely love and enjoy blockchain technology because I firmly believe this will completely impact every single human being and industry on the planet. I love taking complex ideas and mechanics and breaking them down for the average person to understand. If you're looking to educate yourself about crypto, you came to the right place. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave some thumbs up and some comments. I appreciate you dropping by my block, and until next time.